Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to IIUI, Adyala Road Campus. Subject Science for Grade 7. Chapter 12, Electric Current and Circuits. Students, our today's topic is electric circuits. Covering electric circuits, in which you learn closed circuits, open circuits, symbols of electric components, battery, electric circuit diagrams. Electric current. An electric current is the rate of flow of electric charge past a point or a region. Students, this concept is explained through diagram and explanation available on screen. Students, the electric circuit. What is electric circuit is the whole combination of a cell or a battery, connecting wires, a switch, and the device to be operated like a bulb is called an electric circuit. Students, through diagram on the screen it is clear that the electric circuit is composed of a switch, battery, wire, and a source, that is a light bulb. Types of electric circuits. There are two main types of electric circuits, open circuit and closed circuit. Open circuit. In electric circuit, if switch is open, then the circuit is not complete and the current cannot flow through the circuit, and thus the bulb does not glow. Obviously, when the current is not available, how the bulb glow? So such a type of circuit is called open circuit. Closed circuit. In electric circuit, if switch is closed, then current can flow from positive to the negative terminal of the cell. Definitely. How the current flow? Because the circuit is complete. That's why the current is flow. Thus, the bulb glows. Such a circuit is called closed circuit. Components of electric circuit. Electric circuit is an interconnection of electrical component. Students, the components and their symbols were shown on screen, such as cell or batteries, switches or transistors, resistors, capacitors, wires, fuse. Battery. Battery is a device that stores chemical energy and makes it available in electrical form. It is a combination of cells. Students, making of electrical battery and different ways of connecting cells shown on screen. Electrical battery. An electrical battery consists of several identical cells connected together, one behind another. Electric circuit diagrams. Standard symbols are used in the circuit diagrams to represent their components. Look at the real diagram and the circuit diagram of a circuit in which symbols are used. Students, when we are constructing the diagram, there are certain points to remember. Number 1, there should be a source of electrical energy. Number 2, there should not be any gap in electric circuit. Number 3, if there is a gap in the switch, the circuit will become open and current will not flow through it. Students, that was the end of lecture 1. Our next lecture consists of topics: heating effect of electric current, magnetic effect of current, and electromagnetic.